Tired of manually emailing your team every time a record changes in Airtable? Let's automate that in under 5 minutes. I know the feeling. You're constantly checking for updates, copying details, hitting send over and over. It eats up your day. But here's the good news. You don't have to do any of that. I've set this automation up myself, and I'm going to walk you through every single click so you can have it running today. I'll show you exactly how to set up a trigger and email action, then test and turn it on. All right, let's start.
First, go to Airtable. Open a new tab and head over to airtable.com. Sign into your account. Use whatever method you normally use, email, Google, whatever works for you. Now, open the base where you want this automation to live. Maybe it's a project tracker, a client list, an inventory sheet. Just open it up. See the top of the screen? Look for the tab that says Automations. Click that. Inside the Automations panel, click the button that says Create Automation. This is where the magic begins. Now, choose a trigger.
A trigger is just the event that starts everything. For email notifications, you'll probably want something like when a record is created or when a record is updated. Pick the one that matches your workflow. For example, if you want an email every time someone adds a new lead, choose when a record is created. Go ahead and configure that trigger. Airtable will ask you to select which table to watch. Pick the right one. Then test the trigger. Click Test and it'll grab a recent record to confirm it's working.
This step is important. It makes sure Airtable knows exactly what to look for. Once that's done, it's time for the action. Click Add Action. From the rest, select Send Email. This is where Airtable shines. It handles the email sending for you, no extra tools needed. Now enter the details. For the recipient, you can type a specific email address or use a field from your table to send it dynamically. Maybe your table has an email column. You can plug that in right here. For the subject, be clear. Something like, a new record has been added. And for the message, use the insert buttons to pull in data from your record. Add the record name, the status, any notes. This makes each email personal and useful. Now test the email action. Click the test button. Airtable will actually send a real email to the recipient you specified. Check your inbox. If it looks good, you're golden. If something's off, tweak the subject or message and test again. When everything's working, turn the automation on. Flip that switch at the top. From now on, anytime a record matches your trigger, an email goes out automatically. You don't have to lift a finger. And that's it. You've just saved yourself hours of tedious work. Now, every update in Airtable sends the right info to the right people instantly. Go ahead and set this up in your own bases. You'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner.